Hey everybody, Sandra Duran Wilson here. And if you're thinking about joining the online courses, I just want to give you a little hint about where we're going to be going. What is it going to help you discover? So if you're one of the artists who likes to go in and explore what mixed media can do, what the possibilities are, then this is a course for you, because we're going to really be looking at many different ways of painting and collage and bringing in other materials, fabrics, wires, all kinds of things. And the difference between this course and all the other just usual painting courses is that you're also going to dive deep into your own understanding of why you create. You're going to learn how to listen to the whispers of your soul. You're going to trust in that choice that you make. You're going to learn how to tame that inner critic and really own your work and step into it. So over the next 13 weeks, we will be making 14 paintings, and I'll be with you every step of the way, every day. You can reach out to me, ask questions, post your paintings, connect with other creatives around the world. So I do hope you join me and find out more information at Awakening Your Creative Soul website.